Okay, here's a slice of Mong-Ha, slice of Macau. So we're up on top of the hill. We're overlooking, we'll just kind of let you know what this is, but this used to be the dog races right there. And we have some cannons over there. We even have like a little mask right up there. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau.
Is it GoPro?
Yep, this one's a GoPro. Let's walk over by the cannons, and I think there's somebody performing. And then just to kind of give you some context of things, there's part of this fort right here. So it's 1887. We're going to give you some of the views first. There's the racetrack. And then we have the cannon. So these cannons, I think that's used to be ocean. There's one of the cannons here. Let's see. I saw there's all the cannons don't have the date, so I think it might be the 1800s. And all of this is kind of in the northern part, so you can see sort of Zhuhai over there, way over there, that little clock tower, some of those mountains. And we're gonna go over to the other side as well. And just to kind of give you some reference, this is actually like a Mong-Ha park in here. So you'll be able to see, you can actually drive up here or take this path, but there's all these little ways that go all the way down into Macau from up on top of this hill. And I'm just gonna show you a little bit by going down. And I'm going to show you the little bit of the fort around it real quick. These beautiful doors right here. There you go. More cannons. And then here's the year of the Mong-Ha, 1866. And here's a little bit about it. The construction. Oh, it's initiated by Governor Amaral. Okay. He was assassinated the same year. So I think they were spreading it out. It used to be, looks like there was African origin soldiers in the barracks for Portuguese. So I think they had, and it said it was withdrawn in 1976. Those soldiers, I guess. So I think this was to protect the city, and I think they expanded northward a little bit. So there's a reference to Amaral being assassinated. I think the assassination refers to the fact that this was more Chinese territory, and Macau Portuguese was expanding more and more. But anyways, this is the Macau fortress up there, so now you have another idea of what Macau looks like. Let's just go down just a little tiny bit more, and then there's all these little paths that go all the way down as well. So yeah, this one is one of the many hills in Macau and this is probably the one that's least visited, because the other ones are quite impressive with more cannons and more fortresses, but this is a small little one. And you can see the parameters of it right here, the walls all the way around, and some beautiful trees up here. So anyways, that's another slice of Macau for those of you that are so interested in this beautiful city. Some nice trees. Okay, 1866.